Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I would like to show you how to personalize a keychain for Father's Day or for any other occasion. You will need a keychain with a ring and beads to make this project. Take colored embroidery threads. Cut a length of about 50 cm or 20 inches. I use 2 threads of different colors. Insert the 2 threads through the small ring of the keychain. The length of the thread should be the same on both sides of the small ring. Tie a double knot to lock the thread in place. Choose your beads. It is necessary that the holes of the beads are big enough to let all 4 strands through. I started by inserting the 4 strands all together, but since the holes in the beads are quite small, it is not easy. So I continued by threading all the beads 1 strand at a time using a needle. When the 4 strands have passed through all the beads, make a double knot at the bottom to keep the beads in place. Cut the remaining threads to the desired length. To print the document with illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplates website, where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!